Spring is coming faster than you think, and that means that your chickens are deciding that they are egg-laying machines again. But there is also a lot of winter mud still left. So today I'm going to show you guys how we get our coop ready for spring every single year. And trust me y'all, after winter this is definitely necessary. The number one thing that I like to do, guys, is inspect and repair. Meaning it's time to inspect your coop for gaps, inspect the roosts, inspect the nesting boxes, make sure that there's nothing broken. You especially want to check hinges and make sure that there's no gaps that predators can get into. Winter likes to expand wood, loosen screws, and so it's important to check all of these things to make sure that nothing is broken. Also important to check your spots with hardware cloth and your latches as well. Next up, it's time to clean that coop. Now I use the deep litter method, and for the deep litter method, spring is a good time to do a full clean out, but my coop is not quite ready for a full clean out. I just did one less than a year ago, and so my coop is not quite ready yet. I don't really have a ton of bedding in there. Not a lot of it has really composted down or anything like that at all. So today I'm just going to add a lot of fresh bedding, and I'm going to show you guys something I use to help keep the coop smelling fresh, help keep the pneumonia down, and help my bedding last longer. Now that our coop has nice fresh bedding everywhere, the one thing that I do like to add is a coop refresher. So I like to use GrubTerra's coop refresher. I really like it because it helps control odor and moisture. It just keeps things fresher longer, especially with us going into all of this warmer weather. So I just take one of those little packets and I sprinkle it pretty much everywhere in the coop, all over the floor, in the bedding, and even a little in the nesting boxes. It's gonna help absorb that moisture, and that's a huge plus when everything in spring just feels so damp. And keeping that moisture down also helps reduces the ammonia smell and makes it healthier for the chicken's respiratory system. Plus, GrubTerra's is non-toxic, guys, so it's safe for me and it's safe for the chicken. And I'm all about making the chores easier and keeping the coop healthier without a bunch of extra work. Plus, these come with 4 bags, which is up to a 15-week supply. So you're not just buying one of these and using it and having to buy another one every single week. It comes with 4 of those little bags that I showed you, and each of those bags will be effective for up to 5 weeks. Plus, you can get it in that lovely mint scent, or if you don't want mint, they also sell it in rosemary and thyme. I've tried both. I like both of them. So the mint is definitely like that great, fresh, clean smell. The rosemary and thyme, though, is also very interesting and makes the coop smell really nice. So that's it, guys. Nothing fancy. It's a good reset to get ready for the egg season, warmer weather, and hopefully less smell. If you've never done a spring reset, guys, this is your time to test it out. And if you want to try the GrubTerra Coop Refresher, guys, I'm going to leave it linked down below for you all with my affiliate link and a discount code so you guys can get an even better price on this amazing refresher. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below if you guys have any questions about backyard chicken keeping, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new.